everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dana from Little Bean Crochet, and I am once again market prepping for another market. I have about a month and a half till the next market. It is a 2-day market. The first day is on a Friday, and it's from like 4 to like 10 at night, which is different for me. I've never done one at night, so I'm kind of excited for that. I'm gonna have to find like some lights to hang up somewhere. That will be fun. The next day is the Saturday, and it's just like all day long till like 6 o'clock. So it's a lot. It's a lot of days. My last market was only one day and it rained all day, but I still made like $1,000, so I'm not upset about that. I'm really hoping it doesn't rain this time because I feel like every market I've been doing rains every time and it's driving me nuts. I still do well, but I feel like I would do a lot better if it didn't rain, but we'll see. Luckily, I still have a lot more stuff from my last market because it did rain all day long. I still made like $1,000, but I have a lot of inventory left, so I'm gonna build upon that. Hopefully I can like triple it in that time. So recently I have been making that loaf cap pattern that I keep seeing everyone make, and I am obsessed with it. So I've made 7 of them so far this week, and I literally can't stop making them. I can't even hold them all. Hold on. Okay, I have a gray one to look like Garfield. I don't know how I feel about that, but here he is. It's like a calico one, black and orange. He's so cute. He's like an Oreo one. Oreo looking one. And this is my favorite one so far. It's like a Siamese cat. And I put like the blue under his eyes. He's really cute. This pattern is from, I think her name's Annie Caraway Art on Etsy. And it comes with one that has, it comes with one with spots or without spots. So you can do either. And I actually got an order to make someone's cat with this pattern, so I'm excited to do that. I bought Bernat blanket in tweeds. I think it's like a grayish color. So I'm waiting for that to come in, then I can make it for them. So I'm excited about that. If anyone makes these, I would love to know what you charge, because I've never sold them. I'm thinking like $25 to $30, but I'm really not sure. So this week I plan on making a lot of small things. I started already on possums, and I just recently ran out of stuffing, so I'm waiting for that. That's coming in tomorrow. So I have a lot of flat, unstuffed possums right now. So I'm going to make more of those, and then once the stuffing comes in, I'll finish them all, and we'll see what else. Because last market I brought like 7 of them, I think, and I sold them all, and people wanted more, so I'm like, those never been popular before, but I'm going to make a bunch of them this time to see how it goes. I'm also going to make more birds, chickens, ducks, chicks, and probably more bees. I don't think I'm going to make any more pot mushrooms. I feel like they're not that big of a seller for me, but they are pretty cute. I already have like 8 of them, so I'm not going to make any more. I also have like 20 something keychains, so I don't think I'm going to make that many more of those. So I have a lot of turtles. I never sold any this last market, so I don't have to make too many more of these. This one actually just sold on my website, but it's like a little dragon fruit. And I'm gonna make this one into a pizza and eat some pepperonis. I feel like his arms are kind of lopsided though. I'm curious how these cats are gonna sell, these little love cats. I feel like they would do well because I love them, but I don't know how other people are gonna feel. We'll see. It's the next day. I didn't do much yesterday, but I did start making the wolf cat last night, and I did most of it earlier too. So I just have to finish a little bit left and then do like the facial features, which I feel like is the most important part. But I feel like it might come out pretty cute. So it is now Thursday. I haven't filmed in a couple days, but I finished the cat the other day. Here he is. He turned out so cute. I try to make him just like the other cat and hopefully it looks very similar. I really tried. He has like a little brown nose and a white spot. I also started making another one right after that, and here is this one. The same color here with the spots. He came out so cute. I also finished those 3 possums that I hadn't stuffed. So here they are. And I also did a couple more. And this one still needs ears. Tomorrow I plan on shipping this guy out, and I also have another order for this dragon fruit turtle, so I'll ship that out at the same time. Okay, so it's been a while since I last filmed anything. I really suck at vlogging, but the market is tomorrow. I have a basket of things I need to finish before then. They all need to be stuffed pretty much, and some of these possum just need ears. So I'm going to finish these, and then I'm going to show you everything that I have. I'll show you all my inventory. Okay, I finished stuffing all of these guys. I just need to put some ears on a couple of the possums, but I'm going to start doing inventory now. So I'm going to start with the mushroom boy. I'm bringing 10 of these and I'm selling them for $12 a piece. So I made this one into like a pumpkin, but I also have a couple different ones. I have a lot of like the plain red ones, but they are. I decided to do something different this time too. I have a bunch of like random kind of ugly plushies that I don't sell. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put them all in like a big box and do like for $5 a piece. Because they're all like pretty good size, but they're just a little wonky. So I'm gonna sell these for $5. I have 21 of them. Next I have these possums. Last time I brought like 7 of them. This time I'm bringing 17. They were pretty popular, so I decided to make a bunch more. And I'm selling these for $12. This one doesn't have an ear. This one needs another ear. Leggy frogs. I am bringing 8 of them and selling them for $10 a piece. I think I might make a couple more, but they don't usually sell as fast as other things, so we'll see. These mallard ducks, I'm selling these for $12 a piece. So all my little birds I'm going to sell for $12. But I have 11 of these guys. I also made pigeons this time, which I've never made before, and they turned out super cute. It's the same pattern. I will link it in the description who is by, but I hope these do well. Again, these are going to be $12. And I brought 9 of the pigeons. I'm bringing 10 of these chickens. I'm bringing 2 of these eagles. I'm bringing 1 little seagull. I'm bringing 5 turtles, and I'm selling them for $25. I made 12 of these car hangers, little swing car hangers. I'm going to sell these for $12. I made 1 of these chunky little frogs. It's a free pattern on Instagram. I'm going to charge $12 for him. I have 16 of these little bees, and I have some in different colors also, and I'm charging $10 for these. I made 7 of these little chicks in frog hats, and I think I'll sell these for $12 also. I have 29 little keychains, and I'm selling these for $9. I have 8 of these loaf cats, and I'm selling them for $30. I'm not sure if that's too much, but I'm not sure what to sell them for. I never sold them at market, so we'll see how they do. 1 of these dragons. I'm going to sell this for $45, I think. I might raise the price because this one took a long time. I have this pizza dino. I'm going to charge $60 for it. Again, I feel like it should be more because this one took me forever. But I have this big crocodile that I'm going to sell for $50. And he's wearing a little sun hat. I have 2 of these little monkeys I'm going to sell for $35. 2 snails. I have 1 that's a heart snail, and I have this cereal turtle snail. I'm going to sell for $15. I have 3 cows. I'm going to sell for $35. 1 ghost bee that I'm going to sell for $10. I'm bringing 5 chicken nuggets, and I'm going to sell them for $10 a piece. 1 candy corn I will sell for $8. So I think that's all I have for now. I think I have some other stuff that I'm not counting because it's like Christmas stuff, and I figure it's not going to really sell, so I don't feel like counting it. But I'm going to display it anyway. Tomorrow and Saturday's weather is looking really great. I actually got to set up my tent and tables today beforehand. Tomorrow I don't have to be there till like 4. I've never done a night market, so I'm really excited about that. I
actually also got a brand new banner that looks so nice. I'm so excited to have it this time. It just makes it both like look more professional, I guess. But it's really cool. Okay, I got it from Vistaprint. It was fairly cheap too. I think it was like maybe $60. I know it's not that cheap, but it makes it look so much nicer. So that is all I have for today. I am super excited for my market tomorrow. So if you're interested on how it went and how it looks, please come back. I'm going to do a whole vlog on it this time, which I've never done. I need to make myself do more of that. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.